In this next step, we're going to use two tools. We'll have our ruler and our electric razor. So we are going to be cutting with our electric razor 1 inch, so you have your ruler, 1 inch from the hairline. And we're going to be doing that all the way around the parameter of Jim's head. So let's get started. So I'm going to turn on the razor. I'm going to place my non-dominant hand on top of his head for support and stability. I'm going to be cutting 1 inch up. If you're not confident in your abilities to measure what 1 inch is, then go ahead and use those markers. They're washable. If you cut too much hair, it does grow back eventually. But it's better just to get it right the first time. And if you missed any hairs from before on the neck, you know, you can go ahead and trim those ones as well. I see some down here that I had missed. And we do go around the ear as well. For this, it's a little less than an inch. Maybe a fourth of an inch. Use that ruler. And there we go.